Expert roofing solutions in West Jordan, Utah. EagleRidge Roofing is the trusted roofing contractor in West Jordan, Utah, serving the 84084 and 84088 areas. We provide expert roofing services for both residential and commercial properties, ensuring top-notch craftsmanship and durable results. Our residential services include new roof installation, roof repair and maintenance, roof replacement, and roof inspections. We also handle storm damage assessments and repairs, gutter installation, and ice and water shield installation. Additionally, we provide soffit and fascia services, shake shingle sealing, ventilation solutions, and swamp cooler installation removal to improve energy efficiency and weatherproofing. For commercial roofing, EagleRidge offers roof installation, roof replacement, and our EagleRidge Peak Protection Plan, which includes preventative maintenance programs. We specialize in flat roof repair, metal roofing systems, TPO, EPDM, and other membrane roofing systems. We also provide roof coatings to extend the life of your roof, soffit and fascia installation, and ventilation solutions. EagleRidge Roofing is committed to using premium materials and providing exceptional service. We understand the unique roofing needs of West Jordan and surrounding areas, including Salt Lake City, Sandy, and Draper. For reliable roofing services you can count on, contact EagleRidge Roofing today. Call us at 801-784-1457 or visit our website www.eagleridgepros.com.